I think a good way to start your circular journey is to go to an external platform and put your products there, lease them out, rent them out, or whatever model you want to do, and learn from it. Capture the data. What is the customer behavior? How often do they come back? How often do they return the products? Everything that you need to know to create the data you need to take that decision. Because the decision is quite big to take. And you need to look further back into your supply chain. But if you have the data from your customer and their behavior and how because what they do today, they will continue to do tomorrow. Because when you open the door, then there is no way back. So I think the way to do this is go externally, test your products, test a couple of different business models in an external platform, learn from it, capture the data, bring it back in, and see how you can use that to develop and change your business.